for you. From the moment we met, have grown each day. My love is set. My lover, my friend, it grows each day. Until the end of time, my love.
My hero in my life, my husband. I am lucky to have my husband Naveen Kumar.
నన్ను ఏడిపించడం అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. నేను అలిగిందంటే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాడు.